Stamp sleek, hard surface detail in seconds. No remodeling, no fuss. From ship hulls to corridor walls, this pack turns any flat surface into believable sci-fi. Hey everyone, Luke here from 3D Tutor. Today we're launching Sci-Fi Panels Pack. 50 handcrafted variations built for Blender, Substance Painter, and game art workflows. You get displacement pack for sculpting or parallax, plus base color and alpha for clean decals and material overlays, panels, vents, service hatches, caution plates, data ports, and signage sets. Designed to read clearly at game and cinematic distances. These details will keep your base meshes simple, then stamp in structure, bevel logic, and micropaneling exactly where the camera needs it. Faster look dev, stronger reads, and zero topology headaches. In Blender, use the height map to push form in sculpt mode or displacement modifier, then layer the alpha as decal with the included masks. In Substance Painter, drop stamps as stencils or decals, drive roughness breaks with the mask, and blend the provided base color for instant panel variation. For engine presentation, the packs play nicely with trims, tiling materials, or pack decals for clean performance. This pack includes 50 designs, panels, vents, maintenance lids. Each one of them include displacement, base color, and alpha masks. It has clean silhouettes with calibrated values so bevel catches and AO read without muddying. Blender demo file with ready decal shader and a quick displacement setup to get your stamping in minutes. If you want production ready sci-fi details without the remodel, this pack is for you. Stamp faster, reach sharper, and ship scenes sooner. Grab the Sci-Fi Panels pack, 50 stamps today, and start upgrading your hard surface in minutes. Happy modeling, everyone!